guys, so I quickly had to wash the dishes and reload the dishwasher because we're leaving and I cannot leave this house dirty. So I did take the chicken out. It's still a little bit frozen, but it's pretty much thawed out. So this is the Trader Joe's chicken. I believe it was like $10. So I did tell you guys I was going to make a Christmas Eve / Christmas dinner for us because we're not going to be here tomorrow. So I'm going to pop this in the Pyrex. I'll leave a link down for Pyrex. I love these. I only get 2 sizes. I get like the small size and the big size. So I'm going to put this baby right into here. And I'm going to add some extra black pepper and some pink Himalayan salt because I never, ever trust packaged flavored things. You can't trust it because usually they tend to go for more of a bland taste. So I'm going to go ahead and recoat it with seasoning. I'm not going to stuff it with seasoning. I already butterflied this one. So I'm just going to recoat it with seasoning and call it a day. I am going to do some sides so you guys will see the size. And why did the color just change? That was weird. But yeah, so I have this prepared right here. So I'm going to get this going. And then I want to make a few other things like the chocolate chip cookies and stuff like that. But we'll get into that. Next move right now is to go ahead and put these clothes in the laundry. Looks like we got a special delivery today. These are so pretty. So these flowers, let's see who they're sent from. Let me show you guys real quick. They're so nice. Let's see the kind. Let's see. To Dominique A. Oh, Jazz, love you. Oh, wow, thank you so much. I'm telling y'all, love her. J-Scope family, all day, every day. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh, wow. Thanks, love. And it is empty in here. So let's set her up. And we are literally back when she just finished. So I'm going to pop her into the dryer. I did get some stuff out. When I get back upstairs, we're going to start cooking because I need to get that out the way. I did get some toiletries and stuff like that. So I'll show you guys when I get upstairs. But we're going to pop her in the dryer. Let me quickly show you guys what I got. I got some toilet paper. I got some Allegra. I have indoor and outdoor allergies. This one works really good. I also did get some Nair. I got some ZzzQuil because that's 6.5 hour flight. No, sir. I also got a little bit of a fragrance just because I want my bags to smell good and stuff like that. And I didn't have time to get like a good fragrance, so I just picked this one up at Walgreens. Smelled pretty good. I also got classic Caesar dressing, 2 hair clips, and these lashes. This is the brand that I like. I decided to try out the 11 instead of the 12. The ones that you guys see me wearing is the 12, but they had the 11, so I wanted to try the 11 out. Also got some Carmex for my chapped lips, and I also got 2 of these so I can put some sunscreen in it and some other products that I have. So I got 2, and then I also got cookie sheets because we're making chocolate chip cookies tonight. So I'm not going to show you guys myself yet because I look a mess, and you know, I just want to do a video just cooking and just chilling, so y'all don't need to see my face yet. But we're going to start cooking in a few seconds. All right. So I lied. Here I am. Couldn't big ol'. I'm gonna have to use one of these hair clips right now, sure. Cause the way this hair is set up, baby, it just keeps coming out of this thing. So I knew on the trip I needed me a little hair clip. So let's see what she do. Okay, let's see if she can hold this in. Okay, perfect. I know I'm gonna need some clips, so I got those too. But here I am, here looking. Ooh, 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 ooh. This together because I'm going to pop it in the oven so I can just get a nice look cook. Obviously, I did go ahead and put the sweet potatoes in the air fryer, and the air fryer does a great job. I did put salt, pepper, and olive oil, and the Brussels sprouts already came from Trader Joe's with like a garlic seasoning on it. I just added the pink salt and black pepper, so very simple seasoning. Pink salt is very healthy for you anyway, so that's what I use to season my food with. So the potatoes look really, really good, guys. So like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven, and then we're gonna go ahead and make our mac and cheese. mac and cheese that I put in the microwave. I told you guys I wasn't getting all fancy. So this is from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna jazz it up per usual, and then I'm gonna pop it out in the oven. The last one I had was a reduced fat one from the other day, and it was slamming. So I'm microwaving right now for 4 minutes, and I'm gonna take it and stove top it and add some extra cheese, make it taste flavorful, because you guys know I do not trust that. But I've heard really good things about their mac and cheese. It has 4 different types of cheese in it, guys, so I'm betting that it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna do that. The Brussels sprouts and sweet potatoes done. The chicken's still just getting, I want it just to be a little crispy, so I'm gonna show you guys how I just jazz this up just like I did last time. So this is the chicken. There goes a lemon that I actually kind of moved before because I wanted to see if the chicken was cooked underneath. But you guys can see I added the extra herbs on top of it. So in my opinion, add extra seasoning, but it looks really, really good. Here goes my mac and cheese. Like I said, it looks just like fresh baked mac and cheese. I just, you know, fix it up a little bit, and there you go. And here goes the veggies. We have the Brussels sprouts with the sweet potatoes, nice and seasoned. So that's it, and that's basically Christmas Eve dinner. I am gonna make chocolate chip cookies, and you guys will see that a little bit later, but this is our dinner for Christmas Eve. Very, very nice, and looks so good. Thank you to Trader Joe's for this one. Trader Joe's used to sponsor me, period.